Uhoro wanyu inyuothe kwa maritwa njitagwo Joanna K no wakorwo ni subscribe channel ino already nyoy maritwa makwa. Umuthi ndirekaga tutorial gakwa na Gikuyu, which is my mother tongue. No reke njuge ndiaragia Gikuyu muno, guku mucie twaragia Githungu mostly, so ni mukuigwa mix Gikuyu na Githungu, but mostly this tutorial igukorwo in Gikuyu. So reke twanjie. So the first thing gwajia na ga primer. Gaka ka primer ni ka Maybelline New York na getagwo Illuminating primer. Uria primer ekaga ni riu nguga atia, wekira primer alafu wekira foundation. Foundation ihanaga wega, ndihanaga fake ndihanaga streaky. Mundu ekiraga primer ta maguta, o uria wikiraga maguta ekira primer o uguo. Ino primer ikoragwo illuminating primer, that's why irahana, illuminating. Haya, next riu ni foundation. Ino foundation itagwo Lancome Teint Idole Ultra Wear, na ni ndirekite review ya foundation ino. Wakorwo ni urenda kuona ka review ka foundation ino, nigwikira link haha thi description box nigetha uhote kuona uria ino foundation ihanaga. No nyendete foundation ino muno. He, ino foundation ihanaga wega ma. Tarora. Gaka ka sponge gakwa karenda guthambio. No for now ndiri na time, so kumihuthira uguo. By the way, I hope niguhota gwikira subtitle haha thi nigetha inyuothe muhote kuigua uria ndirauga ona wakorwo mutiguaga Gikuyu. Next thing ni concealer. Ino ni ya Maybelline Fit Me. Nyendete ga concealer gaka muno, ona ni guthira karathi guthira. Ui, gaka ni gathiru. Gaka ni gathiru. Ino concealer ikoragwo very light. Eheaga mundu coverage very light. Ndioi kuga coverage na Gikuyu, please. Ndioi kwihaka concealer na gaka ga sponge. No karia ndahuthira gwikira foundation. Gaka ka concealer kaheaga mundu a very light coverage, so ni kega kaguthi nako wira kana shukuru. Haya, hugo niguo concealer ihanaga. This particular concealer no ginya umiset na ka powder. Dira miset na powder ino itagwo Sacha Buttercup setting powder, na mehaka na ga sponge gaka gakwa. Hey, ni era ndaririkana ndiri na eyebrow pencil. Ni rathirire ira. Riu gwika atia? Eyebrows cikuhana atia? Anyway, reke turikinaga powder ni tukumenya uria tugwika. So powder ino ya Sacha ikoragwo ya guset concealer, but to set the rest of the face guhuthira powder ino itagwo Fit Me na brush giki kinene. Gaka ka powder gakoragwo kega muno for every day, shukuru wera wekera ka foundation gakwa alafu wekere powder ino, you're set. Wow, flawless in Kikuyu. Anybody? Ona dio rea tugaga makeup na Kikuyu. Ado maugaga he na niyo ikuihaka we, which is just direct translation of unajua kujipaka. Okay, next turenda gwikiraga contour haha kuhuthira palette ino yakwa Joanna K Cosmetics eyeshadow palette, na guoya eyeshadow ino haha itago chocolate na a big fluffy brush. Ino eyeshadow ikorago such a good contour shade. Wakorwo mutire mwagura palette ino mureka atia? Gaka ka palette kaidi mwire eyeshadow, contour, blush, highlighter, all kuma palette ino. Now from the same palette guoya eyeshadow ino itago Aspire as a blush. Ihanaga wega. Please look at that. Alafu leo guoya this shade here itago Dancing Queen, ikorago highlighter jega muno. Woo! Glow, baby, glow. Glow, mwana, glow. Really. Did an eyebrow pencil. So to wekata. Kana shikare uwo. At least nidekita microblading, no. Okay, gora gona eyebrow gel. Yeah, brown. No yo dira miona. So eyebrows shigo ikara uwo. Next thing, leo gwekera mascara nigetha tu eyelashes twakwa tuhane wega. Leo ona eyelashes dio kuga na Kikuyu. Ino mascara ni ya Maybelline itago Snapscara. Nikwandika ici products ciothe ndirahuthira hau thi description box ini nigetha muhote kumenya each product ndahuthira. I hope rucio niguririkana kugura eyebrow pencil. Turahana cute. Okay, leo nikurikia turarikia gwikira kaka lipstick gakwa Joanna K Cosmetics getagwo Unapologetic, because tutirauga sorry. Okay, we're being who we are na tutirauga sorry. I think nimwe gora wana lipstick nya hena Unapologetic, hena Fearless, hena Free Spirit, na basically no ino Unapologetic re wakoro we confused. This one ihanaga wega on everyone. Nitwarekia. I hope nimwa enjoy kaka tutorial gakwa. Deka a very simple look, very simple. Let me remind you, dauga haubere tiarage Kikuyu muno, so I'm a bit rusty. Nidauga niwega. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment, let me know how I did, and nitukuonana in the next video. Au revoir.